Frustrated with the libvpx-1 library DLL pop-up blocking WebM project? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin the manual steps for libvpx-1 library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the libvpx-1 library, the core software codec library for the VP8 and VP9 video formats. It manages high-efficiency localized video decoding for web browsers and streaming software. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This issue is commonly linked to missing graphics runtimes affecting libvpx-1 library DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX DLLs, then update your graphics drivers if the file is GPU-related. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing libvpx-1 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing libvpx-1 library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing libvpx-1 library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for libvpx-1 library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.